First agenda for today, I have to cook. So, inuna ko na yung fish. I actually forget ko anong fish to. Hindi ko maalala kung maya-maya ba o mahi-mahi ba. I think maya-maya yata yun. So, it's white fish. And then, today we're gonna make bulanglang with white fish. So, I have here kangkong. I have palaya, talong, okra, kalabasa, what's this? Broccoli, some leftover French beans. I squeezed up some watermelon juice kasi pangit yung watermelon ko. And then tomatoes, and then naglagay na ako ng bouillon cubes. This is from 7 grains. Vegetable bouillon cubes. Ito yung pinakuluan ko ng fish. So, ayan. It's simmering. Si Kaimu kumain na. Say good morning, Baba. Morning, guys. Hi, Bobalicious. Why, si Mangot? I'm also watching Bridget Jones' Diary.
Hello, Bridget Jones.
Tapos na ako magluto and I had to transfer everything to this container from my turbo broiler kasi hindi kasya sa pot ko. So, super sarap, guys. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Sarap. How are you, little Baba? Kiss from Mama. Kiss. Mwah. Yum, yum. One more kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Mwah. Oh, stretchy bitchy. Stretchy bitchy little puppy. Pinaliguan ko si Kaimu kasi nainitan siya. Now we're playing ball. Oh my God, so many balls, Mama. Alin ang kukunin mo? You don't know. What about this one? Wow! With the other ball still in his mouth. What a cutie pie you are. Nainitan, tumigil siya sa shower. Pinaliguan ko na lang. Sabi ko baka nainitan. Inopen ko na yung aircon for Babalicious. Baba, ready to catch this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, crazy popper. Let's keep this one. It's from Decathlon. Perfect mini ball for Kaimu. No, Baba. Yeah, Mama. So, one of my viewers came over to pick up a camera. Bumili siya ng camera and she dropped off cookies. Thank you so much, Christine. Big Al's cookie jar. Oh my gosh. Yum. You want some? Yeah, Mama. Magla-light makeup lang ako ngayon. Same as yesterday. So, I won't tell you guys kung anong ginagamit ko kasi I filmed this video nung isang araw. So, sayang naman. So, just watch the video na lang. Naloka ako sa Game of Thrones kagabi. So, I watched sa 1, 2, 3 movies. I think ang daming links naman na available. Pero doon ako nag-watch kasi I've been watching from that website since forever. So, doon ako nanonood. And yeah, I like that episode. I cannot wait for next week's Clerks. And then this weekend, we're gonna do Korean barbecue with wifey. Sobrang tagal na namin di nagkakachikahan. Kagabi lang ulit, pero kagabi was like super bilis lang din. So, I really want like a catch-up date with her. Tapos, yeah, I just have a lot of videos to do. And nakakaloka, it's the last day of April. Half year na. Oh my gosh. May and then June. We're gonna go back to Napayang Island very soon. So, that's the resort that I made a video about a few weeks ago. And I'm so excited to share with you guys kung ano yung mga improvements kasi ang dami na improve. Like, we now got small boats for recreational use. And then, yung mga huts namin, okay na sila. And then, the eating area. And I haven't really filmed the improvements just yet just because when we went there after my trip to Korea, nag-relax lang ako and I didn't really vlog anything. But yeah, when I get back there, babalik kami next week and I'm so excited. And I hope to see you guys there kasi I've been accepting or receiving a lot of your inquiries. So just let me know. Email me. I'll have the details in the information box. I super love this foundation. Diba? Kakulay ko agad. Kasi nga sobrang umitim talaga ako. Not only because of the beach trips. Hindi rin eh. Kahit hindi ako magtan. Kahit mag-scooter lang ako going to the grocery. Ayan yung scooter ko. There. Sobrang init talaga nowadays. Kaya, Clerks. Ayun. Powder tayo. Anyway, tomorrow pala, we're gonna have coffee with Graham and his mom. I've been super duper loving his mom. Like, sobrang si Tita Merlin. Hi, Tita! I just follow her on Instagram and she's just super duper cute, you know. And I cannot wait to meet her tomorrow. Mag-merienda kami kasi open na yung one of my favorite restaurants in Philippines or Manila, which is Manam. Sobrang love ko talaga. Actually, I think tomorrow will be, hindi naman consecutive kasi today hindi ako kumain doon. But, I've been eating there for 2 consecutive days na. Lang, dinner and then lunch. And then tomorrow, we're gonna do merienda. Ayan. So, that's exciting. Something to look forward to. Current status ng nails ko. Resting. I still haven't gotten new acrylic nails or kahit anong nails pa. Kasi, wala. Pinapahinga ko sila. Grabe kasi yung nails, ang ganda nila, diba? Like, the fake nails. Maganda, yeah. But, I think my nails really need recovery time. Kasi, pag dire-diretso, talagang nasisira ng bongga yung nails ko. Nakakaloka. Ayun. So, I think I should do, actually, an update on my brows. So, if you remember from one of my vlogs, I got my brows tattooed from Eyebrowery sa Green Hills. And ito yung kilay ko ngayon na walang kahit ano. So as you can see, I can still go out with them on kasi parang silang may kilay pero wala. So ang ginagamit ko lang talaga everyday is brow mascara. Yun lang ang gamit ko. Wala nang iba. Full na siya agad. Ang galing, di ba? Brow mascara lang. Ang galing, di ba? And then lashes ko pala, ito lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces left. So, wala. Hinintay ko lang silang malagas mag-isa kasi I think I pulled out a bunch of lashes, which is a no-no. But I really do love getting lash extensions kapag, kunwari may travel ako, kunwari Japan or Korea or wherever. Kasi kapag nag-travel ka, you want to get ready fast, diba? Every day. And you can't really waste time on doing your makeup for such a long time. So, parang pag may lashes ka, bongga ka na agad. Ayun. Pa ba? Well, that's the only time I love extensions. Like, it really cuts down your makeup application time. Pero, I think in the long run or in a long-term setting, parang hindi ko siya bet masyado. Pero I love it, you know? Pero may ganun talaga, may pros and cons talaga. Let me know in the comment box down below kung sino naka-try ng lash extensions. I think I've been, there's been a surge of lash extension services in the Philippines. And ang dami. Like, I've tried a bunch. I've tried Brow House, I think recent. I've tried New Lounge. I've tried Ayumi. So, yun yung mga na-try ko. So far, okay naman silang lahat. It all just depends on the condition of your eyelashes. So, for example, sa Ayumi, anong nangyari kasi sa akin sa Ayumi? Straight from another lash extension, diretso agad. And problema, di ba, maikli na yung lashes ko noon. So, wala lang pagkakapitan. So, nagmukhang droopy. Nagmukha akong antok lagi. So, I really didn't like that. So, yun, kailangan talaga may resting period in between. And, ang pinaka-love ko out of everything, I think New Lounge is super nice din kasi very light, ganyan. Pero, personally, I super love Brow House. Ewan ko ako, personal choice ko is Brow House. Number 1, ang lapit sa akin. They have a branch in Serendra. And then number 2, ang ganda ng quality ng lashes. I mean, lahat sila magandang quality. But I love Brow House. And then number 3, matagal. It really lasts long talaga. When I was in Jeju, I think I was there for a week. Tama ba? A week or 5 days. Boom, bongga pa rin siya. Every day. Dire-diretso lang ako. Kilay, bababa, kahit ano, basta walang lashes, bongga na. Ayun, sobrang nice. May gusto pa nga akong gawin mamaya since I'm not really sure yet kung tuloy ako sa bazaar ng May 5 or May 3 to 5. But, if hindi ako tuloy, I will probably just do the online selling via Instagram stories. And then I still have a pending cooking video na kailangan ko din. I want to refilm that kasi when I filmed that before, alam mo yung hindi mo feel. And pag ganun kasi parang, ayoko i-upload kasi hindi ko feel. Kailangan feel mo. Kasi pag hindi mo feel, why? Why upload it kung hindi mo feel? Sayang. I really need to condition my lips. They feel so dry. Wait lang. Yung mascara na feature ko sa vlog, pero I won't reveal na lang kung anong brand to kasi gusto ko mapanood niyo yung Get Ready With Me. Pero sobrang na-impress ako sa kanya. Yung wand niya kasi it's not like the usual spoolie type of mascara wand. So, kakaiba siya. And I love it. Subtle but nice. Super black. I've been playing around with my Canon M50 last night kasi si Kaimu tulog na tulog siya. So, tinry ko yung mga different camera settings. And for the entire week, we're gonna be working or experimenting more with the M50. Like, really work with this camera. I mean, I love this camera, pero ewan ko, I never got the chance to play around with it na tuloy-tuloy, alam mo yun. It's kind of bulky, pero okay din naman siya kasi maganda yung ano niya. Yung quality. G7X Mark II kasi, it's very handy. It's like, labas siya sa bag mo, balibagin mo, okay pa rin. Yun. So, I'm done with my makeup now. I'm gonna film muna the Ask Say. Eating dinner right now. Actually, tapos na ako kumain. And then, tinry ko yung cookies from Big Al's. Thank you, Christine! Ang sarap. Chewy on the inside. Sa labas medyo crunchy. Sarap, grabe. Ito pala guys, yung mga binibenta kong camera. So, limited stocks na lang. Yun na lang natitira out of everything na inuwi ko from Japan. Yung lomography, dalawa na lang ang available. So, the rest are regular disposable cameras. If ever you want to order, just let me know. Instagram. So, this is an Ask Say, a new Ask Say segment. It is 18 minutes long. And then after that, I mean, while waiting for that to save, I'm gonna watch Bridget Jones' Diary. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!